Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in 2024 and you will also get a €30 bonus on top of it. So let's go. In the last 365 days the Bitcoin price went up by a whopping 105%. So if you bought Bitcoin exactly 365 days ago, you would have made about 105% profit, which is a bit more than doubling your money. However, investing has risks, especially in cryptocurrencies, so make sure that you only invest money that you can afford to lose. First, you will use my invite link to Spartanien DE from the video description. If you use my invite link, you will get 1 to 10 euros in addition to the bonus on the first completed offer. So now we will complete the Coinbase offer. When registering a Spartanien account, you can put in any first name, last name and email address you want and any username you want. After you logged into your Spartanien account, I'm currently logged in, you have to go to the Spartanien DE Coinbase offer. Here you will see the conditions for the offer. You have to open an account as a new customer, you have to buy cryptocurrencies for at least €1 and then you get a €30 bonus in Spartanien onto your account. This bonus can be redeemed for gift cards such as Amazon or any gas station gift cards and things like that. In addition to that, on Coinbase you can also complete some surveys and trainings to get some more cryptocurrencies. Alright, to get started you will click on this red button here. Now we are on the Coinbase sign-in page. Click on sign up over here. Then you choose your account type as individual, you get started, then you enter your email address or you sign up with Google if you want to save some time. Furthermore, you have to do some identity verification, which is standard procedure for any kind of financial account in order to prevent fraud, in order to secure your account and so on. Alright, so after you created your Coinbase account, you sign into your Coinbase account and then you will have to deposit some money using your bank account. Okay, I'm logged into my Coinbase account. It currently has a balance of €11.42. If you want to deposit money, you have to click the deposit button over here. Then you click on the Euro bank account or any other kind of bank deposit. Next, you have to make a deposit to the recipient address below and you have to wait 1 to 3 business days till the money arrives. Okay. Next, after the money arrived, you can buy a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin by clicking the buy button over here. Then you choose what you want to pay with, for example Euro wallet, and then you can choose the amount of money you want to use, which can be like 10 euros or something, and then you will confirm the purchase. Finally, after doing that, you will own some Bitcoin, and that's the video basically. Now, if you also want to buy other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, USDC and so on, the process works the same way. Also, on these other cryptocurrencies you can earn some staking interest, which is the 2.64% APY seen here, or 1.88% seen here for Cardano, or 5.25% for Solana, or for the stable coin USDC 5.2%. So if you simply want to invest into US dollars and get a good interest rate on your money per year, then the USDC coin is a good choice. You can see that the price of the USDC coin is very stable. It has been pretty much the same for a whole year. This is because the stable coins are identical to the US dollar essentially. You have virtually no risk by investing into the stable coin. If you also want to earn some extra rewards, as I mentioned before, here you have learning rewards, which I can still use to earn €31.14. Maybe in another video I will show you how to complete these learning rewards to get some more money from Coinbase. For your account safety, make sure to set up two-factor authentication, use a strong password, and never share your email address, password, or authenticator codes with a third party. Also, never transfer your cryptocurrencies to anybody else if you don't want to lose it. There are many scammers in cryptocurrencies who promise you massive returns or massive profits, but they are just trying to steal your funds. And once you've sent cryptocurrencies to somebody, the transfer cannot be reversed. So make sure you know what you're doing when you transfer funds to another person. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment and subscribe.